What's up you guys, and welcome to Artjanml Ed. So today I'm gonna show you how to cut, crop, or remove a clip in Premiere Pro. So this is a very basic thing that every Premiere Pro user should know. And if you are a beginner, then this video is a must. So we're gonna start up with importing or opening the video in Premiere Pro. To do that, there are several ways. The first way is you click on File and then you click on Import, and it will show you the window from which you can take the videos. The other way is to, and the simpler way is to just double click in the project panel and it will open the window that we just opened a few seconds ago. Okay, then you select the video that you prefer, that you want to edit, and then you click Open. So as you can see, the video appears here in the project panel. To start editing the video itself in Premiere Pro, you have to make a sequence. So you can right click on the video and then you press on New Sequence from Clip, and it will appear here in the program panel and in the sequence panel or timeline panel. As you can see, the video appears here. This is a video 1, audio 1. We're not gonna use the audio right now, so I'm just gonna unlink and then delete the audio, and we just want the video. So as you can see, it's a really small space. We want to like zoom in a little bit so we can edit the video itself. So we're gonna press the plus sign on your keyboard several times until you get the size that you are comfortable with. So this is a tricky way to zoom in and out using in Premiere Pro. To zoom in, you press on the plus button on your keyboard. To zoom out, you press on the minus button on your keyboard. Okay, so after zooming in, we're going to get the razor tool on this panel, and then you're going to choose what part you want to remove from the video clip. So using this cursor over here, you're gonna put it where you want to remove that the start of the video that you want to remove. So say for example, I want to remove this birds from the clip. I don't want them. So I'm gonna go to where the video starts that I want to remove, and then I'll get the razor tool and just click on the cursor. So as you can see here, it split the video into 2 parts. Now I can move the video wherever I want. I can make it overlap. I can do whatever I want with that video. Then we're going to the end of the video that we want to remove. So this is the end of the birds video. So we're going to get the razor tool again. We're going to click on that, and then using the selection tool, we're going to select the video that we just cropped out of the video clip, and then you click on backspace to delete it. So as you can see, it left a space between the 2 video clips. We don't want that, because if you left it like that, as you can see here, if I click this space bar to play the video, it will leave like a black video in the middle, and we don't want that. So to remove that, we're going to right click and ripple delete, or simply just select the area and then backspace again, and it became a 1 video. So that was all for you guys today. Hope you guys liked the video. If you enjoyed watching it and if it was helpful, please comment down below so I would know if I should make more of these videos later on or not. Thank you and have a nice day.